Hello and welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make your black and white photo with colors. So let's start. First thing you want to do, you want to go to Canva, go to apps, type in search bar Colorize, press enter, and you can choose this one or this one. I usually prefer this one because it lets you use existing design or new design. So for example, I want to colorify this picture. So let's do it. Let's press here, colorify, open, add color, select this image, add color, and straight away you can see the changes. So let's add it to design. And for example, as you can see, this photo have straight away colors. So we can remove this one and set the background this one. So as you can see, this photo have colors and shadows and lighting, everything works perfectly. So I hope you learned something. If you have any questions, like always, leave them in the comment, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel to support my work. Thank you. Have a good day.